of light rain in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 40s. North winds 15 to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday night, colder. Cloudy then becoming partly cloudy in the late evening, and early morning then becoming clear. Widespread frost after midnight. Lows in the lower 30s. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. Widespread frost in the morning. Highs in the lower 50s. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. West winds 5 to 10.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Tune to Channel 3 for more information.
Public service announcement. Today's topic, allergies with public health issues. About 10 to 20% of Americans suffer from ragweed allergies in the fall. Ragweed grows throughout the United States, and a single ragweed plant, which only lives for one season, can produce 1 billion grains of pollen. Allergy sufferers can reduce exposure to ragweed pollen by keeping their homes closed up and using air conditioners, which filters the air. Keep car windows closed when driving and change your clothing after spending time outside. This message is brought to you by the National Weather Service and EarthGauge.com.